Okay, welcome back to Crowe Chef Academy. So today here, we started to prep here for a ghost cheese roulade. So what I have here already is I have some potatoes that I have sliced nice and thin on a mandolin. I've seasoned them with salt, pepper and butter, and I've par cooked them. Okay, so they are cooked but without colour. So that is stage one there. I've lined them out like fish scales here on my double cling film, and now I'm going to prepare my ghost cheese. That's stage one here of my ghost cheese roulade. Okay, so I've stage two here of my ghost cheese roulade. So what I did is I let my ghost cheese come to room temperature. I took off the outside skin of my ghost cheese log. I put double cling film down, ghost cheese on, and then double cling film over it, and we rolled it out so we have the same size as our potato scales that we had in the first section there, using my rolling pin there. Okay, what I've done then is I turned it onto a tray. I've taken off the bottom two sheets of cling film like so, and that exposes then my ghost cheese. That then is going to be flipped like that down onto my potato scales, and then it'll be ready for rolling. Okay, so that's stage two there now. Okay, so this is the next stage here in our roulade. So you can see here I have squared off my ghost cheese. It is the same shape as my potato. I've laid it on top. I've taken off the cling film so it is completely exposed, and I've started to roll. So we're doing like a Swiss roll effect. Okay, so I've just turned over my potato, and we're gradually and slowly going to roll our potato. The secret is to keep that cling film low here so we get that roll, and then we just reconfirm as we go along, nice and slow. Make sure the potatoes are turning like so. Like I said, this will take a second, but it's worth it for the end product. Keep going like so. Make sure your potatoes stick around. Okay, so just bring it back to expose it there. You can see. So that's the next stage. We're going to finish this, and then we're going to tie it off like you generally would tie off the roulade. Okay, so that's the next stage there.